forthcoming release as Arch Linux is. So if you've never been there before, it's archlinux.org. As always, go to the wiki and look through the beginner's guide and get yourself familiar with some of the terminology and installing in a virtual machine, which isn't as hard to do as in some cases as on your actual machine. So we have VirtualBox here. I'm using Ubuntu 13.04 as the host, but it doesn't matter at all, actually. Okay, so click New and just type in Arch. And if you notice, it picks up the version, Arch Linux, and I'm going to use the 64-bit. So if type in 64, and now it says 64-bit. You click Next. 256 is okay, but I'm going to give it quite a bit more. I'm going to give it to 496, 4 gigs of RAM. Create a virtual hard drive. VirtualBox image, dynamic. We don't want a fixed size. I'm going to give it 30 gigs though, just so we have room. Okay. With it's set to go, but what I do is go to settings and do some extra things, such as the processor. I give it 4 cores because I have 6-core processor. If you only have one, then obviously leave it at 1. Storage, I crank that up to 128 and enable 3D acceleration, as you see here. Okay, under storage, where it says controller IDE, and then where it says empty, go over to your right and you see a small disk icon. Click that, choose virtual CD. So it's in my downloads. And here it is here, Arch Linux, May 1st, 2013, and just hit open. And now we're good to go, so you press OK at the bottom right, and you press Start. This is a new install of VirtualBox, so I'm going to get these messages popping up. Okay, so we have choices here. The first one I'm going to use is the 64-bit. If you're using 32-bit, choose the second option. And then, obviously, there's no OS. You can run a mem test, etc., reboot, or just power off. So, first option, and yeah, try to make this as quick as I can. Okay, press Enter, and let it do its boot thing and its reminder thing. Okay, we're at the root. Now, if you notice here on the side, I just